Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again for another review. Today, we are reviewing the MubView 4G LTE cellular security camera with a solar panel. That's right, you guys. This thing right here, it has live view, instant notification, two-way audio, rechargeable battery, is weather resistant, has color night vision, multi-user and area customization. Of course, it has an app with it. You guys, you can go Android or iPhone. This thing will work between -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So you get almost any weather unless you live in Alaska. So let's get into it. Let's unbox this baby. First of all, here's the solar panel right here. And you see the sticker there. It said make sure you remove that sticker before you install it. Let's put that to the side. Next up, here's the instruction manual. Has the barcodes on it where you can download the app because you will need the MubView app. Also, there it has a SIM card and an SD card inside with the case. This is a whole kit, you guys. Comes with the solar panel, so you don't have to buy it separately. Here's the bracket right here. Here's the mounting bracket for the main camera, the MubView camera. Here's always your screws and stuff that go with the camera part. And here's your bracket that holds up the actual solar panel right here. So you got screws in that packet right there. So let's put all that to the side. And let's get out the main event. Here we go. Yes, sir. You see it? Let's flip this thing around right here. This is it. Main event, the MubView 4G LTE cellular security camera. It rotates up and down. It rotates left and right. You guys, 360. You can't. It won't miss anything. Anybody try to creep up on you, they got them. Let's set this to the side for a moment and see what else is in here. There you go. Remember I told you, you got the SIM card and an SD card in here. I think this is a 64 gig SIM card right there. So it's got the SIM card in the box. You got your charging cable. We'll sit this up here. Let's get it all nice and neat. You got your antennas up in there, right there. And you can look on the front of this. You've got, you know, your two lights, and you got the lens. Hey, did you guys see how I mounted this up? I've got this level. This is where I'm going to put it. This was the original location that I was going to put it up on my house. But what I noticed that once I put the cellular panel up there, it was in the way of the actual camera, so I had to change the location of it. So make sure it's level. Then you set the camera up like that. I put some silicone. After I put the screws in, I actually put silicone on the screws to make sure it was watertight. It was already watertight, but I just wanted to, you know, double it up there. So I put some silicones on top of the screws. Here's my setup right here. You can see the solar panel just a little bit away from it. Got everything set up right there so it can catch all the action. So let's get into the app. I'm gonna show you the app real quick before I wrap this up. Oh yeah, you guys, make sure that when you put the plug in it from the solar panel, make sure you push the plug through the little waterproof piece first. Don't try to set it in there and push it through the water piece. Open the water piece up, push it through the water piece first, and then push it into the plug. It's going to work out a little bit better for you. Once you download the app, you'll also have cloud storage right here. You set that up. The app is great, man. I love the app. You got your family management. You can share your app to someone else, your albums, your settings. Let's go into home. See, I've already got my camera set up. It's nighttime right now where I am. So there's my camera. You can see all devices that you can, if you have multiple devices, which I recommend you get more devices, you can have all your devices right here. So there's my camera right there. I'm gonna actually go inside my camera. Let's click on that. And you can see it's an encrypted channel. Look, it takes your security signal into an encrypted channel. So there's no way anybody can get into it right there. If they do, you gotta have a hard time. See, you can do screenshots. You can hold to talk. You can record right on the spot. Got motion detector. You've got a light on it right here. And then you got the PTZ, pan and zoom. So you can go right there. So I can look. I can go up. I can go up just from the remote. I can go down. It's nighttime where I'm at now. I can come around. This is actually night vision on it. Or you could take the screen just like a regular picture, right? Let me go back down. I'm right in the light. But you could come over here with it, showing you guys the night vision. Because I don't want you guys to know where I live and all that kind of crazy stuff. So I'm doing it at night. But you can take and zoom in on the camera like so just by pinching the screen. You can go into history and see all your alerts live. So you got the 4G service and the SD card right there. You can also turn the light on it. This thing is great. Come back. You get in-app and messages. You can explore all the other different devices. Make sure you guys check all the other devices too, right inside that app once you get everything set up. And then I don't want to show you any personal information, but that's it. All your devices start popping up. You can hit the settings. You can totally customize them, with your work, your video encryption, your images, your time zone, everything right inside there. So, hey, you guys, make sure you guys definitely check it out. MubView, great products. The link will be in the description.